Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying ownership and access. This is essential. Once signed in, open the archived page and copy its ID or path so you know exactly what to target. Make sure you have the correct permissions. Group or place roles matter, because Roblox requires ownership to alter archived content. While you have the page open, keep the developer console available for later checks and prepare any supporting files or proof of ownership. This saves time when you proceed to remove the archive. Now you perform the actual removal. Open Roblox Studio or the web editor with owner permissions and navigate to the page's metadata. You will look for the archive flag, status field, or an archive timestamp and either set it to active or remove the archive entry. Make the edit deliberately, double-check the target ID, then save and publish the change. Once done, clear cache or use an incognito window to confirm the page is no longer archived, because browser caching can mislead you about the result. Finish by verifying that the page is visible to intended users. Test as guest and as a normal user to catch permission gaps. If the archive reappears or edits are blocked, check for script locks, place version rollbacks, or moderation holds that enforce archived status. Make sure your account isn't limited. If automated systems prevent changes, gather ownership proof and contact Roblox support. One tip: document timestamps and actions. This speeds up support resolution if automated protections intervene.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.